Hello, my name is Ethan. I'm going to make a video, and it's going to be called Cat Reacting to Trampoline. See how she reacts. She's loving on me right now. She's my cat. Mimi. 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 If you're wondering why we called her Meanie, I called her that. Because when she was just a little kitten, she was mean. Now we teach her to be nice. Now, she loves me. Oh, she loves you guys too. Why are you following me, Meanie? Look. She wants to follow me. Meanie. Good girl. Say hi to the audience. Say hi. When she bangs her face, that means she says hi. And love you. Oh, I love you too, Meanie. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? You want out, Meanie? You want out? I think you want out. Do you, Meanie? Do you want out? Or do you want to stay in? Sorry, this video might be short for a minute or two. Maybe 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, I'm gonna stand right here, and I'm not gonna let her go anywhere. I can hear her footsteps. Stay! Stay. Wow, I can hear your footsteps. Can you hear that? Listen. Oh, I am so sorry, Meanie. Come here. I'm sorry, girl. Kicked her in the face by accident. Sorry, girl. I know you love me. What's this? She goes up to it, and I'm not going towards her. I'll get you out of here soon, Meanie. I know you're loving me to death. Well, alright. It's been 3 minutes. No reaction. My cat's just doing just fine. Acting like nothing happening. She's enjoying it. I think she knows she's in the air. But she's on some ground. Alright. That's my video of cat reacting to trampoline. And my name is Ethan. Goodbye.